Welcome back friends, this is Raman Sharma here and you are watching Redux Firebase Simple Block series, and this is a part 10th of this series, and in this part we are going to create reply form here. So in the every comment there will be the reply form. So this problem is little bit tricky and we will understand how we can do it. So now without wasting any time, let's get into it. This is our coding section here. So now let's go to the source folder and under the components folder, and here we are having the C post folder under the components folder, and then there is C post and the comment form is there. So now what we will do, so let's first of all move to the comment C post here. So where we have added our all comments here. So here we are getting the comments here, and then see that here. So let me zoom out this little bit, and then here we are doing this. So here we are placing the comments here, and below this we will add the reply form here. So for that we will create the another component here. So let's create another component for this. So here I'm going to write reply form, and let's create this reply form here. So reply form dot js. So I'm trying to make it very simple for you. So this reply form is there. So let's import this reply form from reply form.js here in the same folder. Imported it successfully. So reply form is imported successfully for now, and let's move further. So here we will just add our comment here. Comment. Now just save this and let's go here, and here what we will do, here just simply I'm going to catch the comment, and here just I'm going to write reply form. Save this. Now let's see what we are getting here. So in the actually in the GitHub repository I have done little tricky problem there. So because in that I have mapped all the comments here, I have mapped all the comments in the same page, that is the C post. But now I'm going to do with the second way, and this second way is very simple for us, and that I'm going to tell you. Simply here I'm creating a new this component here, new component, and then in the new component I am reusing this new component again, and I am passing the comment through it. So here we will manage the all states here. So now our work is very simple. So here I am going to create one state. So that state will be first open comment form, open reply form, and set open reply form. And here I'm going to use this state here, state, and by default, so I have to import the state also. So I am importing this state from the React here, use state hook, and then by default this will be false. By default it will not open here. So here I'm going to create one button here. So here just I'm going to use React fragment, and here I'm going to use button here. Button type will be button, and here let's apply the class name. Class name will be btn, and btn is there just, and then text primary will be there, and here just I'm going to write reply, and we have to add the on click button here. So I'm going to add on click. Just we are going to change here, that is we are going to set this open reply form to true here. So this is very simple. So I'm going to cut this and paste it here. So we are doing this now. Let's move ahead. So here we are going to use this condition here. So here condition we are going to use, and here we are going to see if our reply form is opened. If our reply form is opened, then we have to do something, otherwise we have to show this button here. Now here we have to do something. So what we are going to do? So here we will show the form here. So here I'm going to just show the form. Here I'm going to write form here, just simple form, and then there will be the form control dot form control div class name with form group, and under this group there will be the input text area, sorry, or input is good. So I'm going to write input type is equals to, or text area is more good. So here I'm going to write text area, and text area is there, and here I'm going to write placeholder, enter, do reply, and then here I'm going to add one class name here, and that class name will be form control. And let's move further. I'm going to copy and paste this, and here we are going to use deflex here, or I don't have to use deflex here, just we are going to use two buttons here. And first button will be having the type of submit, and its class name will be btn, and that will be btn primary, and here just I'm going to write reply here, and it will be having the margin top to 4, or instead of this I'm going to write text primary here, and here it is reply button, and then here we need margin and 2 3, and this same thing we have to do. Here will be text, here the type will be button, so type will not be submit, and here I'm going to write text danger, and it will be cancel. Now it is having this same on click event here, so I'm going to copy this same on click event and paste it here, and here instead of true I'm going to write false here. Now just save this, and let's see what we are getting here. So actually we are getting error somewhere. So here is the error. Here this ternary operator like this. Now see that we are getting the change here, but see that we are getting the button that is very big. The button is very big here, but we don't want this button very big. So what to do now? So instead of this, here button is there, then here just I'm going to write instead of button, so I'm not going to do the button here, just I'm going to write text primary, and let's see. So button small, actually it is in the center here. So instead of this I'm just going to write one paragraph here, and paragraph is here. Here just I'm going to change the cursor, so style cursor to pointer. Save this. Now we are getting this. Very good. And here I'm going to write text start. Save this. Now we should not get this in the center here. See that we are getting like this here. Now here we also want margin top to 5. So margin top to 5 is good. So when I will click on the reply button, see that here we are getting do reply and this. So here also we need the class name to margin top to 5 here. Now we are getting good here. This all will be the states having independent states. So these all will be having independent states here. Now let's start creating the states here. So here I'm going to create one state here that will be of reply and set reply here, and here I'm going to write use state. Now let's move further, and this will be our last step for this video, and adding the reply, that logic we will do in the next video. Just we are controlling the form now. So here in the text area I'm going to write value will be reply, and on change set reply e dot target dot value. Save this. Now we should get changes here. Now see that here when I will move here, and let's go. So actually this is not showing. Yeah, it is showing. Let's go to the components, and under the components let's see this. See that we are getting three reply forms here. So three reply forms we are getting here. Now when I will click here and see that here I'm getting this comment in the props that I'm getting here like this. So from props this comment I'm getting here, and then here see that it is having two state, and see that this is also having the independent state, this is also having the independent state. So let's first moving here, and here when I'm typing here, now when I will click on reply here, see that here this state is filled but this state is not filled. This means that these all having the independent states here. This is very good work for us. So for today this is enough. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. I will definitely respond to that. At last, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video, and in the next video we will see how we can add the